Hey y'all, this $20 Apple Watch case makes my Ultra look surprisingly like the new black Ultra 2. Let's talk about it. And before we dive in, please consider subscribing as it does help out my itty bitty baby channel immensely. So let's take a look at this case. It's made of aluminum or aluminium for my UK friends out there. And in my opinion, they completely nailed the matte black look of the Ultra 2. Now, what attracted me to this case, you guys, is that it covers every button aside from the crown. So you see the side button there, we've got the action button on this side, and we even have a nice little cutout for the speaker grill, so really good attention to detail. And I haven't seen another case do that before this one, which I really love. And we can even see on the back here, it has the writing around the sensor, just like Apple's own watch does. All right, so let me show you guys how to put on the case. So we're gonna start by taking off this little back portion, and it is worth noting that this piece is plastic. It's the only plastic part on the case. The rest is aluminum, as I mentioned. So the easiest way I found to do this is to line up the crown with this little slot here. So that's what we'll do. Start by sliding it in this way. Get that nice and aligned, as you guys can see there. And we can see that it is covering all of the buttons and the sides very nicely. So from here, we take our little back panel that I mentioned, and we line up this little divot here with the crown itself. So it does have a little cutout. So we are going to slide this piece in. There we go. So first impressions, looks really high quality. You can see the slight gloss of the black aluminum. Honestly, looks a lot like the Ultra 2 in black, and it's super convincing. All right, so now that we've got the case on the Ultra, I'm gonna pair it with a band. This is the Ice Blue Ocean band. I call it the Skyami Blue one. I'll probably put out a review of this band at some point just because I love it so much. But let's go ahead and pair this up. All right, y'all, here we have our full setup with the band and my favorite watch face to pair with this band. Just a really awesome combination. And you can tell that this band has the black titanium hardware on it. It matches surprisingly well with the case itself. So honestly, it just really looks like an Ultra 2 in black. Now the case doesn't add too much bulk or weight, which is a huge plus, and the two built-in buttons are very clicky. The action button and the button above the crown here both feel like Apple's original buttons, which is awesome. The crown itself is still pretty easy to access. It does have a little bit of a divot there, which is nice, and you can still click it pretty easily. So overall, not too bad. Now this case actually did come with a glass screen protector in the box to make it flush with the case. I decided not to put that on as the Ultra Sapphire Crystal display is more scratch resistant than glass, and I'm trying to minimize as much of the bulk as possible. Is this case durable? Absolutely. Now, aluminum isn't as strong as titanium, but I haven't noticed any scratches on the finish of the case. Also, the case fits with every Apple Watch band in my collection, so fitment shouldn't really be an issue. So is this $20 Apple Watch case worth your time? Honestly, I think it's worth a pickup. I never used a case with my Ultra before this one, but from the buttons to the design and the solid attention to detail, I'm thoroughly impressed with this case. And guys, thank you so much for watching my quick review of this awesome Apple Watch Ultra case. Let me know what you guys think about this case, or if you have any other case recommendations that I should try. And if you're interested in this case, hit me up in the comments and I'll provide the details for you. And if you guys are looking for a really spiffy band to pair with this new case, definitely watch my review of the Apple Watch Titanium Milanese Loop Dupe. It's $29 and it is super cool. All right, and with all that, I will catch you guys next time. Peace.